just now. The Mark I Hurricane, the aircraft that would bear the brunt of the battle. And our 4118 is indeed a Battle of Britain, and the Stuka and 110 dive bombers. And coming in from the right, the Hawker Hurricane. The objectives of the fighter controllers, of course, was to get our aircraft up above those bomber streams, escorted by the ME-109. And there was very, very little to choose in performance between the ME-109, the Hurricane and the Spitfire. If anything, the 109 just slightly faster in the dive, a little bit more nimble perhaps. But it was very much a question, particularly in the early months, of fighting experience. And there the Germans certainly had the edge, many of them having already fought in Poland, over France, and earlier in Spain. The ME-109, the fighter escort, it did have one weakness. It could only carry about 88 gallons of fuel, which only gave it an hour's endurance. So if it took 25 minutes to get over Britain and 25 minutes to get back, it only had 10 minutes of fighter endurance. The Hurricane Mark I, it's got a Rolls-Royce Merlin 3, not only the number of fighters we had to begin with, but also the rate at which we could train replacement pilots and above all build and or repair new Hurricanes and Spitfires. Churchill wanted so much for us all to achieve. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, salute them and salute the memory of those pilots. They were the few to whom us, the many, even 60 plus years on, still owe so much.